clear up some of this rubbish. We've just arrived back at the boat. Can't keep. Borrowed a trailer. We've got a decent pile of boat insides left on the ground here that we've got to get rid of. So let's bloody chuck it all in the trailer, clean this yard up a bit, make it a bit tidier and a bit easier to work around. Alrighty, let's do this. Well, we're just at the tip and we've just unloaded it all. It's done. Rubbish gone. Let's go have a cold drink, I reckon, because it's bloody, it's drinking weather. Not a beer though, just something nice and cold. Ah, shit, that's bad. Come on, quick, come on, quick. Well, I've just done myself a mischief and like, I'm glad that it's covered up a bit because I didn't really want to show you. It's a bit gross. But I walked into a star picket and took a big gouge out of my leg. So, better go to the hospital, get some stitches, I reckon. Oh. All right. That's it for today. What else can I do? Nothing. Get some stitches. All right. See ya. Afternoon. Welcome back to reviving the Enchantress. So, I had a little whoopsie, as you just saw on camera. Walked into a star picket that was next to the boat and cut my leg open pretty good. So ended up in emergency that night. Got myself 10 stitches, which was great. So I'll just show you quickly. So you can see, bit of a wound. A few stitches, but it's healing up okay. So what I'm going to do is spend a bit of time this week working on the laptop, and we're doing a bit of designing. That's it for this week. We've got a few things laid out in there now, a couple of bits designed, so I'm starting to get a list together of the particulars, the water bags, the power components, all the little bits and pieces that I want to put into it. And yeah, so I can make sure that I've got enough power feeds, enough battery power, enough solar power coming in to keep the batteries charged, and look at the budgets as well on all the items that we need. So it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming together. Stay tuned, because soon we're going to start with the build. Maybe not next episode, maybe a few more episodes, but either way, it's getting there, because I've still got to let this leg heal before I do any running around everywhere. So let's give it a couple of weeks before I start jumping up and down off the boat again. Alright guys, Have a good one.